What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome again to Meet Money More Chan. So on to this video, I'll share to you a website, guys. Where you can browse the internet, and get paid, just like that, guys. I know it sounds, unsure, but yeah, it is, guys. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys our website and how you can cash out your earnings, guys. Cause the most important thing, that people like, when cash out, so show you guys how you can cash out, on this website. So yeah, guys, without wasting any more time, guys, let me just dive into it. To ecosystem, so basically you're gonna earn like Bitcoin, just by browsing the internet here and stuff. So that's easy money, guys. Like just by browsing, and then earn like Bitcoin. So a profitable partnership condition, get access to thousands of promo material, state income in PTC, withdraw with no holds and limit, friendly reliable support for users. So this is it, guys. And you can share your affiliate, and then that is another form of any, this website. So this website basically is available on laptop, desktop, Android, and iOS. Okay, so we'll leave a link on the description. So make sure you check it out. So as you can see here, this is how the dashboard looks like, and yeah. Let's go down here. Don't hesitate, just try it. And then I'm gonna go through my dashboard. And then I do have an account here, so if you're new here, you're gonna sign up here. I will leave a link on the description here, guys. So yeah, this is my dashboard, guys. This is what I've earned, Bitcoin, on this browser. So it's approximately 0.17 USD. Not bad, guys. Just by browsing. So yeah. If I wanna draw the PTC, I'm gonna click on here. They're seeing enough PTs. So the minimum amount is 0.0001. So I haven't reached that, So yeah, guys, I'll leave a link on the description, so make sure you check it out and stuff. So if you got like any question, put them on the comment section, then I will answer you.
here.
Watching this video on it, I'm that to see you when it's over. I'm going.